नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटियाओं। I'm JVN Professor Manju Sharma. Program name BA B.Ed 5th Sem. Subject name Pedagogy of Social Science. Module name Understanding of Social and Economic Challenges Facing the Nation. University name Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. Today we will discussing about understanding of social and economic challenges. What challenges are facing by India and what responsibilities are citizens. So, discussing about understanding of social and economic challenges facing the nation. Problems facing Indian economy: unemployment, poor educational standards, poor infrastructure, balance of payment and derivation, high levels of private debt, inequality has risen rather than decreased, large budget deficit, rigid labor laws. Overall are problems facing Indian economy. Here are the 8 challenges that India is facing. Rising water nightmare. India is facing the worst water crisis in history. Nearly half the population is still struggling with drought-like conditions. This year, rainfall in western and southern states is below average. The Niti Aayog has warned that the demand for drinking water will outstrip supply by 2030 if preventative steps are not taken. Fake news means misinformation, hate speech, and false propagandas on social media are dividing India's community fabric one WhatsApp message at a time. Fact checker Pratik Sinha believes what gets maximum likes on Facebook goes viral at least 5 times more on WhatsApp. For 2 years, his team has been debunking thousands of fake news cases. Ahmedabad, where Sinha, co-founder of India's leading fact-checking site, AltViews, says it is the lack of digital literacy that makes fake news acceptable. Agrarian catastrophe. Suicides, debt burden, falling prices of produce, India's farm economy is in turmoil. Massive protests by farmers swept India last late last year as thousands of them marched to Delhi, Kolkata and Mumbai in the last week of November alone. An estimated 26 crore citizens work in agriculture, making about 55.57% of India's population dependent on the sector. Political arrogance. Hawa Hua to hua is the mantra of arrogant Congress. PM Modi ragged against some patriots' cavalier remark on the anti-Sikh rights. Politicians constantly misuse their position to suppress cases, assured government staff, loud goons, and in extreme causes even rape women and get pilot cops to intimidate. Flood mismanagement. Monsoon is synonymous with floods. This year, rainfall killed nearly 500 between April. Nearly 6 lakh houses and over 4 lakh hectares of crop were damaged, according to Home Ministry data. It is the same story everywhere every year. Thousands relocated, hundreds dead, livelihood lost, villages and settlement washed away, houses submerged, and the authorities always caught napping. Unemployment. 1 in 3 formally trained youth were unemployed in 1718. According to the periodic labor force survey 1718, automaker parts manufacturers and dealers have led of about 3,50,000 workers since April. Pending justice. Bureaucrats' sloth coupled with slow settlement of causes in India's courts is a score the country has to fix on priority. The 100 years old MacLean will tell you he has been part of two struggles over a century. The first, the independence movement, and the second, a Kafka's trial for his freedom fighter pension. The Tamil Nadu government initially turned down his applications, which were passed only in 2010 after protracted legal battle. Poor policing. According to United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime, India's ratio of 138 policy personnel per lakh of population in 2013 was the fifth lowest among 71 countries. Experts state that the archaic Indian policy system does not meet the requirement of a modern welfare state and reforms proposals have been pending for long. What are the current major issues in India? Corruption, the most widely spread endemic in India's corruption, which must be handled quickly and wisely. Literacy, the percentage of literacy in India is alarming. Education system, best sanitation, healthcare system, poverty, pollution, women's safety, etc. India is the biggest democracy on the world, which has taken joint studies in the last few decades. We are now the world's third largest economy. However, being an Indian, you can't resist chalta hai common attitude. Moreover, for everything we have just. But in between this, we cannot forget everyday issues which continue to cause hurdles in the progress of the nation. The social, political, and economic issues are meant to be taken into consideration in order to improve the prevailing condition of our society. Issues like corruption, crime, condition of the road network, and so on need to be looked into immediately. Corruption. The most widely spread endemic in India is corruption, which must be handled quickly and wisely. There is hardly an office in both the private and public sector that is untouched from this disease. There is no telling how much loss the economy has suffered because of this. Though most of us are concerned, when the time comes to act, we, the people of India, should not be found lacking. Literacy. The percentage of literacy in India is alarming. Though 74 of people were counted as literate in 2011 census, there is a wide disparity between rural and urban areas and male and female population. The condition in villages is worse than in cities. Though a number of primary schools have been set up in rural India, the problem persists. Many people who are counted as literate can barely read or write, hence providing education just to children won't solve the problem of literacy as many adults in India are also untouched by education. Basic sanitation. Sanitation is Yet another problem, but one of the biggest in India. There are about 700 million people who have no access to toilets at home. Slum areas do not have toilets. People are thus forced to defecate in the open, which causes numbers disease like carriona, cholera, dehydration, etc. Many rural schools also have no toilets because of which parents do not send their kids, especially girls, to school. Due to attention was drawn toward this problem by Gandhiji, but nothing much was done. A growing population is the biggest challenge causing these problems. For example, the sway system in Delhi was designed to meet the needs of the population. 3 million people, but Delhi now has more than 14 million of population. Not just the case of Delhi, every state and region in India in the same. Healthcare system. It is true that the world's most popular democratic country cannot provide proper healthcare facility. To its entire population, India is becoming a hub of medical tourism. But all these facilities are not available to local residents. Poverty. The population of India living below the poverty line declined from 37% in 2004-5, 22% in 2011-12. Planning Commission data 2011-12, 22% population. Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, and Chhattisgarh have a poorest area. 43% the poor belong to scheduled caste or scheduled tribes category as per the world. Being Statistics 2016. This disparity needs immediately attention of the government. Women's safety. Both men and women enjoy equal opportunities, but as far as freedom and safety of women are concerned, India lags behind issues like domestic violence, rape, the portrayal of women in media, etc. must be tackled immediately. Infrastructure. India needs to work swiftly on its infrastructure, develop towards better roads, affordable housing, and services like water, sanitation, primary health care, etc. Unemployment. Unemployment nowadays is very common among the youth. This situation is also known as joblessness. Moreover, it is set of circumstances where an able qualified person is willingly search for a job but is not able to find it. We can calculate the percentage of unemployment people prevalent in the economy by dividing with the number of individuals currently present in the labor force. Agriculture districts. India is a country which is widely famous for its agriculture throughout the world. But the sad plight of our country lies in the fact that here farmers face too many problems, such as lack basic amenities of irrigation systems, agriculture implements, and short or long-term loans. The exploitation of farmers at the hands of money leaders is a very prominent and common issue that immediately needs to be looked into. The rise of global protectionism. India is still its developing phase on the way to becoming a developed nation. Our country is enthusiastically overcoming each and every challenge coming across its way. Some of the grievances listed by India against developed countries such as US are the problems encountered by the exports of IT services. and tariff imposed on the exports of products like steel and aluminum by the US. The US has also imposed sanctions to the purchase of crude oil from Iran, which is likely to hamper the India economy and increase its important wealth. Moreover, India faces a constant threat of tariff for many countries and pressure to open up its domestic market. Therefore, the newly formed government must take necessary steps to protect the interests of India from foreign powers that are constantly interfering all the shepherds. This session is powered by digital version 2.0. If any query, write in comment box. We resolve your query. I resolve your query. Thank you.